Here's a few reasons why we think video fits the mold, allows you to educate and entertain as soon as people arrive at your website. First off, if you lack video, if you don't have video, and I know many agencies don't because I visit your websites every single day, you're missing a huge opportunity. 4 out of 5, 80% of your website visitors will watch a video. Only 1 out of 5, about 20%, will read content. That may be content that you worked very hard on, spent a lot of time crafting. Only 1 out of every 5 people is actually reading it. However, they would have been willing to watch a video. It also allows you to get your prospects' attention. Increase prospects' understanding of your product service solution by 74%. Complex bullet there, but many of you offer your insurance policies as a product, some as a service where you're creating a policy and providing a risk management service, or a complex solution for maybe a large client who has numerous policies and requires a lot of risk management. On top of that, they will understand what you're doing, how you're wrapping those services together and delivering them by as much as 74% more if you tell them in a video as opposed to write it down in a paragraph of text. It also allows you to explain complex concepts quickly. 90% of internet users say seeing a video helps in their decision-making process. Well, somebody who comes to your site isn't going to instantly buy a 6-figure premium workers' comp policy if they watch your video, but watching that video will certainly influence their process. I watched many videos this summer before buying a house. The last time I bought a car, I watched dozens of videos about different cars that were available. All of them had an impact and were memorable in my process as opposed to duller case studies and commentaries that I may have read. So Alan, in your point of view, how else does video solve the challenge of entertaining and educating when somebody arrives at a website?
Well, first off, agents and brokers need to stop selling to the baby boomer generation. They need to stop conceptually and say, I'm not going to be selling or providing information in the traditional old-fashioned way, which includes everything from snail mail to textual content on a website. There's still that lingering sensation or feeling that they should continue to offer information in the same way. I have a great story to elucidate this. So, and I am of the baby boomer generation, but I went to dinner with a group of neighbors recently. And we were talking, and I had mentioned that I had figured out how to clean my gas fireplace. And the gentleman next to me is a bright individual, I'll tell you about him in a second, said, how did you figure that out? Did you go online and read about it? And I said, no, actually, I searched for a video, a YouTube video. I found a number of them by that manufacturer on YouTube. I watched a 3-minute video. It was self-evident as soon as I was done watching it. Piece of cake. Never went to the manufacturer's website. Can't even remember the name of the manufacturer right now. And he responded and said, it's funny you say that because I broke my iPhone and I was really frustrated and was out of warranty. It was going to be very expensive to replace just a brand new iPhone. Just got it. And I went online and I watched a video on YouTube and it showed how I could do it for $5. I got the part and I did it myself. And this gentleman was a neurosurgeon, so obviously it's kind of interesting. He's a very young individual. I'm a baby boomer, and yet we both sought information in a new, different way. And it was we both went to videos that were probably 3 to 4 minutes in length maximum. And look at how powerful that message was and how consumable it was. We never read anything else, by the way, by either Apple or if it was Linux, the fireplace people. That's what's happening today. People not only are thinking in those terms, they're expecting video to help them assimilate your information.